Okay, so let's start with our test review. So let's start with question number one. Now, the focus of question number one is to show how we need to properly carry out our substitution so that we can achieve our, our correct answer. I think that's what everybody wants, right? So now, as I said in class, that when we do substitution, we must use a pair of parentheses. It is a must. And it is not for me, it's really for you. It's for your own good because that allows you to see things better and you can, well, get what you want, the correct answer, right? So now, and also please make sure that you will use equal sign as you show your work from one step to the other. It is a must that you show your equal sign, okay? It's a must that you show your equal sign. Now, and what I'm going to show you is that if you follow the notation, if you carry out good notation writing, the answer is really right in front of you. Okay, of course, not like explicitly in front of you, but it's something that's very workable and it's like within 20 seconds, you can get your right answer, that kind of in front of you. So now it sets very explicitly that x is equal to -2 and x is equal to -3. Now, let me tell you what a lot of students would do and how people would get tripped up. So don't write this yet. So I'm showing you how some people would do this. So some students would do this, okay? Some students would do this. Now that's bad notation. That's very, very bad notation because with this kind of handwriting, it is just very confusing. Like especially for this part, is it 5 minus 3 square or 5 times 3 square? Is the minus part of the square or not? Okay, so so now let me just go ahead and do a little side topic here. Just want to make sure that you understand the difference between this versus this. Okay, now for the top one, okay, well, square means multiplying by itself, right? And there's a parentheses. So for the top one, it means -2 times -2, which gives you a +4. Where on the bottom one, the correct interpretation is that, oh, only the 2 in front of the square that's being squared, not including the negative. So that gives you a very different answer. That's -4. So this is why using parentheses is so crucial. Very crucial to your own success. So if you don't want to use parentheses, then I would say you are laying traps in front of you and you are going to step into it. And I just want to help you. Okay, I just want to help you and so that you don't get trapped in this kind of situation. So I'm going to say this to you. I'm going to say, well, whenever you substitute, please use a pair of parentheses. Please develop this good habit. It's really, really for your own good. It's not for me, it's for you. Okay, of course, when I grade it, I'll be very happy to see it, and it's going to make my life a lot easier. But the most important thing is that if I grade my paper a lot easier, that means you are getting the right answer. So that's a good thing. All right. So we say, all right, what's -2 parentheses square? Well, -2 times -2, as we saw on the right-hand side, that's equal to 4. Okay, plus 5 times, well, -3 times -3 is 9. Okay, and therefore you have -4 plus 9 times 5 is 45. So -4 plus 45, it's 41. So for the first question, the answer is 41. Okay, the answer is 41. Okay, so very easy, very straightforward. Okay, very easy, very straightforward. Now I know some people may be a little bit shaky when they do the -4 plus 45. Now, if you are shaky about this kind of addition, let me go ahead and show you a very, very good tip, okay? So that you can actually get it right every single time. Now, it's very important that you have a number line conceptually in your mind. Okay, so we're saying, all right. So you start from -4, and you're going to go to the right-hand side for 45 units or 45 steps. Okay, all right. So therefore, after walking 45 steps, well, guess what? You're going to end up at 41. Okay, you're going to end up at 41. And that is how you get to the right answer every single time. So do not be afraid of having negative numbers in your work. Okay, it's okay. You just have to make sure that you are very diligent. You're thinking very carefully and thinking very clearly, and you get the right answer. Okay, so it's really this. Okay, no curveball. Just follow the notation. When you do substitution, make sure you put parentheses so that you avoid making yourself confused. And just a reminder, please, for every single step, please show yourself the equal sign so that you are telling yourself that, hey, I just moved from one line to the other and to the other, and they're all equal to each other. Okay, they're all equal to each other. And while you're doing it, how can you ensure that you are doing things correctly? Look back and forth. Look back and forth. Okay, are they really the same thing? Right. This is how you develop your habit. Okay, to ensure that you are walking very carefully. You're not skipping any details. That's how you can get number one very easily, can get correctly. Okay, so you may go ahead and try number two and make sure you get the right answer. Practice the use of parentheses for your substitution, and you will surely get it right.